Recently, my car dashed by a backside coming car. Here, this door was totally damaged on this place. This plastic board totally damaged. Light somewhat cracked. The door alignment was disturbed. Here you can see the opening, where a larger gap. So it was gone to workshop for painting. Here denting painting was job done. This was the car who damped me from backside when I slight brake on the road due to some idiot fellow coming wrong side, which is normal in India. He also got damaged, and finally we go to settlement that there is third person problem, so we both have to bear, and that third person gone away. Here actually one such type of mark come. It was regularly on when my car was given to the workshop to repair, and whenever we start the car, it runs for a while, 20-30 seconds, and quick stopped, and that this light comes ever on. This is for the powertrain. Then we call company fellow. He told that there may be two reasons. One may be fuel lesser in the tank, but it was the full tank. So he told me that here is one switch. Here, this my finger is going inside, and just press it down, and it was the reset. Then the car gets a start. So if you have faced any kind of such type of power train indication comes on the vehicle, so you can reset from backside. It comes only in the Ford Ecosports, and it may be happen when backside dash hit your car by someone by forcefully. So that time may also come.